Evolution refers to changes in populations over time. You might have heard of the most commonly accepted theory of evolution by natural selection. This theory was proposed by Charles Darwin, and he coined the term natural selection. This refers to how the evolution comes about. While this is commonly accepted as fact, it's still referred to as a theory because when it emerged, there were several competing theories, and also because, strictly speaking, everything we know is a theory. This theory refers to a change in the inherited characteristics of a population over time through a process of natural selection. We're going to break this down and have a look at what we mean by inherited characteristics. In a nutshell, these are traits that are passed down through genes to offspring. So what actually is natural selection? Evolution by natural selection involves the following steps. The first step is a mutation, a random change in the DNA. This leads to variation in a species, although bear in mind that many mutations have little or no effect. As a result of variation, organisms with certain traits survive and reproduce more. Organisms without this trait reproduce less. The reason for this is all about survival. Beneficial mutations mean that organisms are able to survive longer and have greater chances of reproduction. Or certain traits might mean that individuals have a greater chance of being chosen as a mating partner. As a result, this useful gene is more common in the next generation. This is often referred to as the survival of the fittest. Now, in this context, fittest doesn't necessarily mean the largest or the strongest. When we're talking about evolution, the fittest individual is the one best suited to the environment in which they're living. So what examples are there of evolution by natural selection? The leg length of anolis lizards can be used as an example of evolution by natural selection. This is just an example, you don't need to know about these lizards specifically. These lizards live on a small island in the Caribbean where they have to run away from predators. A genetic mutation has led to variation in leg length. Lizards with short legs will run slower from predators and will therefore be more likely to be caught. Because of this, they will survive less, and because of this, they will reproduce less, and be less likely to pass on short leg length features. Lizards that have longer legs are able to run faster from predators, so they survive more and live to reproduce more. Because having long legs is advantageous, we end up seeing this characteristic being more common in the next generation. Evolution may result in the formation of a new species. This would happen when enough small changes accrue over time. According to the theory of evolution by natural selection, all species of living things have evolved from simple life forms that first developed more than 3 billion years ago. By looking at and comparing the genetic information across organisms, we can see that we are all linked back to a single common ancestor. You find that as you move up through these trees, life forms become more complex. We go from single-celled organisms to simple multicellular organisms to complex multicellular organisms here at the top row.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!